Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video review, we've got a pretty volatile day to recap. So we'll be diving into that a little more for the S&Ps and our other mega caps in the premium video. But as I work to bring you guys some actionable ideas here in the free YouTube content, I want to focus on NVDA. Kind of an interesting spot here because I think we could see higher prices tomorrow. Now, heading into Thursday, you see the S&P's down another 50 points at the open. Obviously, that's not going to work. And I think that's just the honest point of saying, look, this is what I see this afternoon. If tomorrow is totally different, we have to accept that and work from there. But if you happen to see this at higher prices, I want to show you why. So why would NVIDIA be at higher prices? Well, part of it could be based off of symmetry. Right? Do you see this 113.43 that I have? Do you see how today's low was 113.44? So, you're talking about a penny of being absolutely precise to a level that I would like you to make note of. Now, where does that level come from? If you use the trend line tool in Thinkorswim, you can click once on that swing high, measure it down into the swing low, and you'll see that that is a correction of $22, almost $23. Now, if I left click, that will anchor that trend line, and then we can essentially duplicating it, I think, is one method of showing this concept. But then when duplicating that trend line, do you now see that the measured move from this swing high to this swing low is equivalent? So you're essentially asking NVIDIA, when you correct, how do you correct? Well, I correct like this, and then I bounce. I have corrected like that once again, so can we form a little bit of a bounce into tomorrow? Now, that is just symmetry. That is just a pattern that can unfold in the market, but does not have to. I take that perception of pattern and then add it into the work that my buddies over here at Spot Gamma do. So you notice in NVIDIA, they work to analyze the options complex, which the derivatives are a huge part of what drives today's market. Then you see where that put wall is sitting at 115. Okay, what is the put wall? The put wall is often a point where buyers will enter the market and where put holders will monetize their positions. So to me, when I look at the pattern, when I look at the options complex, and all of that is pointing to 115, I think you see a bounce there. So again, I've sold some premium against it. I think it'll be good for a bounce into 120. We'll see how that looks tomorrow, and I hope you find it helpful in your trading analysis. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.